Welcome to an introduction to SmartMaterials, a suite app for NetSuite by PCG. Our premise is to enable manufacturing readiness, and the SmartMaterials suite app is a native suite app that supports all NetSuite manufacturing customers looking to take advantage of NetSuite mobile solutions. Unlike picking just for individual work orders, the SmartMaterials suite app creates an aggregated work center pick list to efficiently stage all materials to support multiple work orders over the period evaluated. It provides a staging shortage list to identify missing components not yet in the staging bin needed to successfully transact those work orders. It executes a mass bin transfer to virtually stage all those items while you physically move the materials or catch up on components you've already moved. And it renders a material put away list to ensure any excess materials are properly returned to storage to maintain inventory accuracy after that work center has completed all its requirements. Let's go take a look at the suite app. To engage the SmartMaterials suite app, select the work center you're interested in. Pick a look-ahead number of days, in this case a week. Apply the filters, and what the suite app will do is look out across all the work orders that are scheduled against that work center, look at all the materials that are required, and determine which components have not yet sufficiently been staged to complete those work orders. Of the three subtabs, we'll zero in on the staging shortage subtab, and you'll see there's 5 items that are of insufficient quantity not yet staged at the blending work center. I have the ability to drill into the specific work orders that represent those shortages for that particular item. More importantly, I can resolve that staging shortage by selecting for each item what quantity do I want to transfer based on what's available to that staging bin. So I'll execute that for the 5 items in question. If I have multiple lots available to me, the app will present what's available, where is it, the status, and the expiration date, so I can select which lots I want to be staged. I can also add notes to help my material handlers. That note may seem a little obvious, but I have some new material handlers that I want to make them as successful as possible. So I select generate my bin pick list, and I'm provided with the opportunity to present to that material handler a pick list to satisfy everything that needs to happen for the San Francisco blending work center over the next 7 days to be successful by moving the following items, these serial or lot numbers, and this quantity to the staging bin for this work center. As a user, we have 2 options. I can use a barcoded pick list like this and allow the material handler to scan the items as they move them, or we have the option to not display the barcode, but simply the items of what needs to be moved, so the material handler can account for everything, and I can do a mass bin transfer to make it easier for my material handler. I'd simply create the bin transfer. It asks if I want to do it. I say okay, and the suite app accommodates moving all those materials, those lots, and those quantities to the staging bin for that work center. I have the same capability if I want to look for overages. Where do I need to put stock back into storage because my work orders are completed, and I want to make sure that I've cleared the floor of all materials, particularly if I'm in an environment where I have sanitation requirements and I don't want any materials out on the floor. So again, my staging overage shows me which items work orders are impacted. Now, since these work orders are likely completed, I just want to move and get these materials off the floor back into storage. My ability to create a put away list for my material handler works in the very same way. So I have a sub-tab for every item. I select what I want them to put back into stores, and I identify the storage bin where I want it to go. And I'll work through the items dictating what I want to go back to storage. Then I'll do this for each of the items until I have solid put away list for my material handler. Once I've selected all the items that I want to put away, I generate a bin put away list, and just like the shortage staging report, it behaves in a very similar way. It gives me a move from location for each item, the serial or the lot numbers, where I want it to be returned, and of what quantity. I have the same option to use the barcodes as need be if I have the warehouse personnel scanning, or simply create a mass bin transfer and allow me, the planner, to execute all those bin transfers so the warehousemen focus just on getting the materials safely back to those storage areas. We believe the SmartMaterials SuiteApp can provide tremendous efficiency, practicality, and value to the NetSuite manufacturing community.